AVAG is a Czech cloud platform for advanced drone data processing and working with the data. We develop it to streamline and speed up evaluating construction progress on transportation projects, benefiting both site managers and project managers. For earthworks or mining, you can easily calculate volume changes or create terrain profiles, all within 2D and 3D environment. For inspections, AVAG serves as a tool to display additional data such as 360-degree panoramic images or high-resolution grid photos. For instance, both can be easily handled by the Mavic 3 Enterprise. With the latest version of AVAG, working with drone and other data sources has reached a whole new level. Thanks to the new multi-window feature developed by our programming team, you can work with multiple types of data simultaneously, something that previously required powerful hardware. At any given moment, you can effectively work with, for example, orthophotos, digital surface models, point clouds, and 360-degree panoramas. You can also easily compare current data with previous datasets, all on cadastral base maps or CAD drawings. Sharing data with colleagues, partners, or subcontractors is simple and effective. AVAG offers an unlimited number of users per account with varying access rights. Significant innovation is the integration with DJI Dock, making AVAG the only application in the European Union to offer fully automated data capturing and processing. AVAG is popular among both individuals and large construction companies such as Colas, Eurovia, Vancy Construction Group, Metrostav, as well as government organizations. Our user-friendly and intuitive application offers a technical and efficient tool for quick and smart work. It helps you save time, money, and human resources. AVAG has been tested by users in over 80 countries worldwide. Try AVAG for free and discover its full potential, or contact us. We will be happy to advise you.